Carvalho from the Philippines. Now, one of my favorite quotes that I live by is that there is wisdom in knowing that our days are numbered, and that's why I'm here, because I wanted to chase the dream of representing my country on the international stage. But we tend to forget that the Earth's days are also numbered, and it's really important that we work together to fight for it. So thank you so much for the opportunity to let me be here, and I'm so excited to rally with 51 other girls for the planet. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. My name is Dr. Gabby Carvalho from the Philippines. Now, one of my favorite quotes that I live by is that there is wisdom in knowing that our days are numbered, and that's why I'm here, because I wanted to chase the dream of representing my country on the international stage. But we tend to forget that the Earth's days are also numbered, and it's really important that we work together to fight for it. So thank you so much for the opportunity to let me be here, and I'm so excited to rally with 51 other girls.
So inyong napanood mga kapolitika itong si Gabby Carvalho dito sa kanyang kompetisyon sa Miss Eco International. At kung inyong matatandaan, last year ay nasungkit ni Alexi Brooks yung Miss Eco International title sa 2025. So ngayon we are hoping, dahil ayon sa ating mga netizen, ayon sa kailang mga comment dito sa social media, ay malakas at malaki ang tsansa ni Gabby Carvalho na masungkit ang back-to-back crown or yung pang-apat na corona ng Pilipinas dito sa Miss Eco International. So counting throwback lang tayo dito kay Gabby sa kanyang naging performance sa MUPH last year, dahil kabatch ito ni Atisa Manalo, at nakita natin doon na ang sabi nila kung question answer portion lang daw yung pagbabasyan doon sa finale sa top 5 ng MUPH 2025, ay sigurado itong si Cebu City or si Gabby Carvalho ang nanalo base doon sa sagutan sa Q&A. Pero sabi nga natin na iba na ngayon kasi ang standard ng Miss Universe. Pero katulad doon kay kay Alexi Brooks, na kung saan is makuda rin mga kapolitika at magaling sa communication skills. So we are hoping at na makita natin siya mag-perform doon sa mga susunod na mga activities dito sa Miss Eco International, at yung kanyang mga pasabog na galawan dito sa nasabing beauty pageant competition. Kasi last year talagang yung performance ni Alexi Brooks na ipinakita niya ay talagang pinusuan at humanga ang publiko sa kanyang performance doon sa Miss Eco International 2025. So same vibes rin dito kay Gabby Carvalho. So kung ako yung tatanungin, at base sa aking nakikita, ay posible ang back-to-back crown dito sa Miss Eco International, at masusungkit natin yung pang-apat na corona. So kahit hindi man ganoon kasikat na beauty pageant itong Miss Eco International, ay masasabi naman natin na patas ang labanan dito mga kapolitika, at high caliber yung ating mga ipinapadala talaga dito sa Miss Eco International, the likes of Miss Alexi Brooks at itong si Gabby Carvalho. So positibo ako na maiuwi niya yung corona dito sa Miss Eco International. Ano mga kapolitika ang inyong masasabi at mag-reaksyon dito sa ating pambato sa nasabing beauty pageant competition na si Gabby Carvalho? Posible kaya ang pang-apat na corona at back-to-back crown dito sa Miss Eco? Mag-comment down below, at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue.
Diba napaka-support? Kasi hindi ka naman! Okay, patay ka na lang. Hi everyone! Thank you for coming. Wala. Ay, Jo! So, nakabili na ba kayo?
Gaano kahanda si Gabby ngayon?
Very. But I'm very peaceful today.
That's
So I think that means that there's something good coming.
Ready na ba sa mga pasabog mo? Mga
Yes.
outfit?
Imagine, I think I've done 5 photo shoots. Na I think at least 3 layouts each photo shoot. So there's a lot of content. I think I've done more content for this than I did for MUP. Although, mas relaxed ako this time around. Especially now we have to take care of luggage, di ba? Luggage cannot be so overweight. So yung mga costumes ko are not so big, but still very close to my heart. Everything's very intentional. Everything I chose to represent is very intentional. So I'm excited for you guys to see it.
Who made the costume?
Malaika Yamas from Cebu. I think Mami Malaika also made the costume of Kamigin during Miss Universe Philippines. So Mami Malaika has watched me grow up. So since I was 17, Mami Malaika has been around coaching me, training me for a lot of things. So very meaningful for me.
Napaka-abangan talaga.
Yeah, super mama. Like
And the gowns?
the gowns. So we need 3 gowns for Miss Eco. Prelims, finals, and top 10. I won't tell you which one is which. But the one gown is Philip Campos from Cebu. One gown is Rao Luzon from here in Manila. And another one is Paolo Blanco, who also made this outfit for